Okay, I just discovered something really cool. Tell you what, let me show you. Alright. So, basically, I was on Amazon racking out for, I've seen those clamps that raise whatever object you have, and so basically you can actually lift up objects, and clamps are normally bringing together versus putting apart. Now, I just learned that my DeWalt clamps, you can literally take out, so if you look at this, there's a button right there, you press that, take that out, and then put it on the other side, and now you actually can pull things up. So for example, if you had something really heavy to lift, and say for example like this brand nailed, heavy. Hello. Bam. That is pretty cool. I like it. Let's call that a pro tip.